Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a magazine cover in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. To make a magazine cover, first let's get the template. For that, I'll be using the freepik.com. And from here, you can select the assets and search for the magazine cover. Open it up, and here are some of the examples that you have here. And for that, let's select the vector one. And now there are tons of options for you. You can select any one of them. This one looks good. Let's download this. And let me show you how you can edit this and make one for yourself. Open it up. Open this EPS file. This will open up in your Adobe Illustrator. Let's zoom in. Just first click on this image, right click and ungroup. And again select this image. And now we want our image. Just right by this size. I'm going to undo this and place it right back here. And now first let's add our image. For that, by selecting this image, just click on this white icon. And now let's paste our image right here. For that, I have this image. I'll place it right here. And now by selecting this image, I will put it right here. I will reflect this image on the left side. I will place the image right here. And by selecting both of these, I will click on Make Mask. And now you have added your own picture on this magazine. You can add your company name or the logo that you have by selecting this. Click on Ungroup. Now again select this one and delete. I'll use my own logo and place it right here. And I will adjust the logo color according to the theme. Guess this looks good now. You can add your headline here. And from here, you can add your own description just by selecting this and delete. Again, click on text tool and just write your own description. And after adding your description, you can add your own information, your contact info, your website, or your home address. And once you are done with this, to save this, just click on File, click on Export, and Save for Web. You can select the width of this one and click on Save. And that's how you can create your own magazine cover in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.